No.
Beefy Bites. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
It's Mr. Beefy.
That's me.
Legend of Beefy. That's me. At Beefy Bites. And today we'll open Link.
Opening Link from Zelda. This is a Nintendo Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild toy. Junior Beefy has been watching me play Breath of the Wild on Wii U, and I beat it. And now we started playing Tears of the Kingdom. And it's kind of one of our favorite games right now, along with Pikmin. Isn't that right? Whoa, what is that?
A dragon.
We're acting like it's a dragon, because Link goes after dragons in the game, doesn't he?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Well, should we just keep looking at Link in the box? Should we just keep looking at him in the box?
No.
No?
Should we open it?
Should we? Here. Put it down here and open it in front of the camera.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. But yeah, saw this at Walmart. They also had a Samus, which was pretty cool looking, but Junior Beefy does not care about Samus. About the only thing I question about this action figure is their choice of weapon. Hold on. I don't want to break or anything. There you go. Show them to the camera while I get this out. Oh, it's cool. Hold it up to the camera. Show him how his head moves and stuff. Hold it up here. Yeah, does his head turn left and right?
Yep.
What about his arm? Show him his arm. Hold it down here and show. Hold it here and show. Put him down. Put him right here and show. All right. How does his arm move?
Yep.
What about his legs? Do his legs move? Yeah, right there. Does he move at the knee? All right. So yeah, articulation, normal head, shoulder, elbow, a little bit of wrist. There's some movement at the waist. Got a little joint there, a little joint at the thigh, knee, and then foot. So it's got pretty good amount of articulation, and then it comes with the sword. So as I was saying, the only thing I really question about the quality, well, I guess it wouldn't be the quality, is I don't know why they just didn't pack in the Master Sword. But otherwise, it's a pretty good looking action figure. I don't know if Walmart's the only place that has them, but they only had one Link and one Samus. Whoa! Hi-ya! What's he say? Ching. Yeah. Oh. What do you think of him? Do you like him?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, who would win? Link versus Dragon. Should I be the dragon?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, you be Link. You be Link. You have Link over there. There you go. Who would win?
Yes!
Oh, what's he gonna do? Uh-oh, is the dragon gonna get him? Or is he gonna get up and get the dragon? Can you do the hey-ya chop to him? I'll bring him back over here. Oh, he's walking. He's walking. He's walking. Oh. Is he gonna get him?
Oh, the dragon!
Oh, did you get him? You should go into sound effects then. All right. Well, you want to show Link off one more time? Uh-oh. Did you knock the sword out? That's okay. All right. Well, I think that's it for today. What do we say when it's time to go?
Bye, everyone.
And
Have a good day.
have a good day. Whoa. Ah, yeah.
It's a good guy. It's like a guy.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh.
Yeah.